All right, guys, for my pal Hoos, we got 2 boxes. 2 boxes for Hoos. The boxes have been running hot. They both had color, so let's see if his boxes are the same. All right. Drinking a little something, something, just a little. All right. Max White. Max White Silver Ice. Uh-oh, you got a redemption, buddy. You got a redemption. And you got a gold. Is it an auto? It is. Son of a bitch. I told you guys, Hoos is the man. Hoos is hoosing. He's got a gold auto and a redemption auto. Come on. What? Hoos, you're on fire, buddy. I told you these were the good boxes. Nobody listens to Houdini. What the hell does he know? He only busts like 4 cases every night, 7 nights a week. The dude doesn't know shit. All right, here we go. Come on, Parker Morin. So that's 3 boxes so far, and all 3 have had a colored auto in them. Let me just tell you how rare that is. That's pretty rare. Parker Morin Refractor. All right, so you guys have filled 2 spots of the 6-spot break. Don't give up. You can do it. You can do it. You know, that should have something in it. Nope, nothing. No good card at all. That pack sucked. Craig Manuel. Wei-Yin Chen. Kyle Zimmer on the mountain. You got a Nolan Fontana auto. There it is. I knew I could do it. Shit. Got a blue paper. Caleb Frere for the Yankees. DJ Davis, blue paper. Look at that. Another Nolan Fontana auto. I'm sure that's from the other box, but Nolan Fontana autos times 2. All right, buddy. That's 4 autos we found. I've only showed you 2 of them, but we've hit 4. Matthew Price. So 2 autos left. Two autos left in the last 10 packs. You got a blue refractor. Taylor Hawkins, he's a Ray. 12th rounder, but still a Ray nonetheless. And Richie Schaefer. What? Huh? Crickets. Alright, what do we got here? Brian Hare. Got a blue refractor. Michael Vaughn. You've had a lot of Michael Vaughn. 20 of 250. All right. 8 packs left. Bryce Harper. Chris Stratton auto. Chris Stratton for the Giants. Got a purple ice. Jamie Jarman. That's actually really good. Jamie Jarman, purple ice. Eventually. Sometime. There it is. 2nd round draft pick. 6 of 10. For the Rangers. Nice card, buddy. Still 1 auto left. Probably in this pack. I have a feeling. And it is. I'm awesome. Chris Stratton. You're opening the same box. Does that mean that your redemption is a gold? Huh? Is your redemption a Richie Schaefer gold? Dude, I will hunt you down. Purple. Orange paper, Tyler Pasternicky. All right, bud. Let's see what you got going on here. Maybe it's the Schaefer Superfractor, huh? I'll never talk to you again. I will so quickly pull I don't know what this is. Austin. David Dahl. Cespedes, Will Hudgens. Two packs left. Basically just looking for color at this point. Maybe some ice, something like that. Drew Smiley. Alright, so you got 2 Strattons and 2. What were the other guy? Can't remember now. Got Anthony Ghost, rookie. Silver ice. All right, bud, what do you want to see first? You want to see your redemption or the gold first? Dun dun. Dun dun. Gold first. Dun 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 dun. Doo-doo-doo. We've seen this guy. Didn't you hit him last night? Somebody did. Doo-doo-doo. Dum, dum, dum. Paul Blackburn. Paul Blackburn gold. 45 of 50. 45 of 50. First round draft pick. All right, buddy. Is it Pat Light or is it a Richie Schaefer? It's going to be at least a refractor. It's at least a refractor. It's probably color the way this is going. Plus, you're hoosing. Dun 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 dun. Doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo. Bowman Chrome autograph. Prospect refractor of Pat Light. Wow, wow, wow. Pat Light refractor auto, buddy. Dum 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 dum. All right, buddy. Paul Blackburn, Pat Light, Stratton ×2, and Nolan Fontana ×2. Who says deal?